Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic atoms and molecules. So atoms are the fundamental particle of an element, but atoms combine to form a molecule. So atoms are the fundamental particle of an element and atoms combine to form a molecule. Atoms combine to form a molecule. So atoms are made up of subatomic particles while molecules are made up of atoms. So atoms are made up of subatomic particles like electrons, neutrons and protons, like electrons, neutrons and protons, while molecules are made up of atoms, while molecules are made up of atoms. So atoms are the most fundamental part of an element that can exist. All the elements are composed of atoms and these atoms take part in chemical reactions of the elements. Now when two or more atoms chemically bond together, they form a molecule. So now another important point about atoms and molecules is that the atoms are made up of subatomic particles such as positively charged protons, negatively charged electrons and neutral neutrons, while the molecules are formed by the covalent bond that are made up of neutral atoms by sharing of electrons, and by the molecules formed by ionic bonds are made up of electrically charged atom known as ions. So the molecules are either formed by the covalent bonding, that is sharing of electron, that is sharing of electrons, or by ionic bonding, or by ionic bonding, that is by transfer of electrons, transfer of electrons. So if we talk about the examples of atoms, so let us now study about the example of atoms. So example of atoms are hydrogen atom, then we have chlorine atom, oxygen atom, nitrogen atom, helium atom, etc. Now if we talk about the example of molecules, then molecules are the combination of atoms. So for example, hydrogen molecule, chlorine molecule, nitrogen molecule, or H2O molecule. So this is all about atoms and molecules. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.